We Hustle Daily. What's up, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. I wanted to talk to y'all about this car real quick. So, obviously, if I'm talking to y'all on the screen right now, I did not win the car. This was the last car y'all seen, my last video that I released. And it sold for $20,000. You know what I'm saying? With the fee, that would have been, if y'all look here at the top, 21.5. Now that I actually was asleep when this car sold, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Um, if I would have did my research, which I'm about to show y'all right now, I would have bought the car. I would have bought the car. Um, as y'all can see, it had 119,000 miles on it. Everything was green here. By the way, I'm on Auto AStat. The link is in the description below. You can see how much cars are being sold for. You can see, you know, who's the seller. As you can see here, the insurance company is the seller here. Um, but so it sold for 20,000. Um, yeah, and it sold. You feel me? So let's go ahead and look at the pictures real quick. Um, this is one of the ones that I will say to y'all that I'm like, damn, I should have got this car. Let me bring it over for y'all real quick. Damn it. There we go. All right. So this was the car. Here, bring y'all back over real quick. All right. So this was the car here. You feel me? We just went to see it. If y'all didn't see it, just click on We Hustle Daily right there. Click on my page and, you know, go to the last video. Right? This was the damage here. The reason why I decided that I was thinking, so first of all, that was a good number for this car, right? I don't know why I feel like this car should not be that much money. I don't know why I feel that way. I mean, I feel that way about the Bentley Continental too, like the GT, like the 2014, 2015, 2016 GTs, but it's not how I feel, right? But I feel like those shouldn't be $40,000. Like, but that is what they're well, that's what they call wrecked. If you want one clear title and all that, you got to pay about 60, 65, 70 for a Continental GT 2016, 2017. It's crazy to me, right? But so this car though is worth this much, bro. Like, if we're going to go through it right now, I'm going to show y'all what these other ones sold for. But this car is worth it, bro. Like, it's worth it. It's worth it. And I wish I would have seen, cause y'all know, like, it was a couple of things wrong with the car. Yes, I was gonna have to put a couple of dollars in the car, but at the end of the day, it was worth it. You know what I'm saying? These lights was on because of the angle sensor or whatever the hell. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that real quick, and let's actually go and look at some of these cars that sold, right? This is just in every state though, right? In every state, all states, you feel me? I'm just looking at previous ones. Now, we're going to click on this one real quick. This one did not run and drive though, right? Let me go to the photos. It did not run and drive. It sold for 11.7. Y'all see that right there, right? Ooh. And look how it looks. This car is hard. This car actually, I wanted this car before when the GT came out. All right, Hustle Nation, I'm happy to announce for those of you who are ready to start flipping cars, I can get you auction access within 24 to 48 hours. If you're ready to stop sitting on the sideline and you're ready to start flipping cars, head on over to whdacademy.com and pick the Platinum package. And for as low as $600, a one-time fee, you guys can have auction access to Copart and the insurance auto auction as a dealer representative under someone else's license. This allows you to go to any Copart or any insurance auto auction in the United States. And essentially, you can start flipping cars within 24 to 48 hours. Don't worry, for those of you who want to attend dealer auctions like Mannheim and Odessa, dealer only auctions, I have something for you guys too. I can get you access to those auctions within 24 to 48 hours as well. Remember, the good thing about this service is that you're not putting the cars in your name when you resell them, meaning you can sell the cars under someone else's license without having to register them. For those of you who are not ready to start flipping cars and you just want to learn about the business, I also have a silver package and a bronze package available for you guys, while I teach you everything you need to know about this auction business. If this sounds like something you're interested in, head on over to whdacademy.com. I think the GT came out in 19. So like this was the car that I wanted. And then when the GT came out, I was like, man, that GT hard, right? GT still is hard. GT expensive, right? So let me see if I can find another one here. Okay, this one ran and drive. Y'all see that price right there on the side right there, right? $28,000. And it didn't sell. Come on. These is hard. These is hard. So y'all know before I got my truck, right? We went to a dealership and this the S63. That's why it sold for that much. 2. Check engine light on. I know I'm moving kind of fast, y'all, but so okay, and it didn't even sell. God damn, look how many times the motherfuckers sold. Damn. Sold for 47. They still didn't take none of that. The highest price I seen was 47,000. Damn, this shit been in the auction for. Damn. Let's go back up. 43,000. 45,000. This is like the highest one I seen. Hold on. These are new pictures. It's like they switch auctions. Now it's all down to the ground. Excuse me. I ain't gonna lie. When we get this car, this might be the first car like I put rims on. You feel me? It depends on how it look. I might put rims on this. These hard. But like I was saying, y'all know how when I first went to go look at the GT, is this it? Okay, here go another one. This is a coupe. 23,000 sold. That's what it sold for. 23,000. Had 19,000 miles on it though. It did have 19,000 miles on it. That's low miles. Look at the damage. S550. And all of these are coupes. Y'all know I really want that goddamn convertible. Excuse me. But yeah. Damn, the miles got me on this one. Yo, 23,000. What's that out the door? 25. Shit. And you still have to fix it. Fuck. That's what I be saying, bro. This car is expensive. I don't know why I've just, even though it's 17, that's what, 8 years old? I don't know, man. Look at this. Come on, man. Look, drop top. $48,500. Come on, y'all. Why is this car so much money? Why? Hold on. Let me turn this light on. Why, bro? Why is this car so much freaking money, bro? This the fast one, though. So it's drop top and it's the AMG 63. And it's wrecked. Come on. Hey, y'all ever seen how much the Maybach version go for? Bro, I seen one on Facebook Marketplace for $225,000. Come on, bro. This fucking gnat keep on flying in my face. Anyway. Nasty. I really want to drop top. I really want to drop the top on the haters, man. I really do. I really do want to drop the top on them haters. What? But it's cool. I take the regular one. This one had 29,000 miles. I don't know. This car hold value, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This the one that I just was talking about that I missed out on. I can't say I would have bought it. I don't know, bro. That's expensive because... Let me finish what I was saying. So y'all remember when I went to the dealership, I looked at the GLE. It was $50,000, 50,000 miles, right? And then, here go another one. I went to CarMax and seen that they had one for 37,000 miles for 57,000. You feel me? So I got less miles, and you know, of course, a higher price, $7,000 more dollars. But yeah. Point is, we will find another one. Hustle Nation, if you need a broker in order to buy a car off Copart or IAA and you do not have your dealer license, you can use eRepairables.
You can sign up and buy cars for as low as $25, which is actually cheaper than making your own account at Copart or the insurance auto auction yourself.
Or you can just pay $200 for the whole year and have an all-access bidding pass
At these two auctions.
And as you can see, they are in most states.
Click the link in the description if you're interested.
Red interior. I like the red interior and I like that caramel. I like both. Nasty. 19.6. What's that? That's 21,000. Like, you know, so it didn't even sell. 113,000 miles. Oh man. But yeah, it's a nice car. I don't really like. I mean, I do like these. Damn, why does this one sell for 20,000? It must have had low miles off 41,000. These are still nice too, but I don't know. That coupe is nasty, bro. The coupe is nasty, bro. Those are still nice though. We can't deny the old S class, the previous S class, bro. But we will find another one, y'all. We just gonna have to be patient. But we will find another one. These cars don't really come. I don't be seeing them a lot, and you barely see them on the street too. That's another reason why I want one, cause you barely see them joints. Why I won't go to the next page? There we go. Here we go. This one didn't run and drive, but it sold for 14,800. Let's look at one that ran and drove. So this one ran and drove 31,000. Come on. Oh, and it's drop top with a different color drop top. That is one thing that I would like to do. Would have want, like, man, if we can find a drop top, our top gotta be a different color, bro. The Hustle Nation's fucking top gotta be a different number, different color. I mean, so we can drop it at the light on them goddamn haters. You feel me? Just playing. Is that like burgundy? Ooh, that's hard. Look at that, all that burgundy in there. Fly. I don't even like this color interior, but fly. White with the... Damn, it's just gonna get dirty. Look like it's dirty already. Dropping the top with the tan. Come on, man. That's the V8 right there. Oh, this one got the new key, too. I didn't know that. Huh. Oh, this one had low miles, 23,000. This one's hard, but I don't like the interior like that. But I would have took that interior for that drop top though. Y'all see the price, 31,000. Came out 33,000. We'll look at one more, just so y'all can see, you know. And I guess that's not a bad price. Here we go, another one that run and drive, 2015. What's that out the door? 29,000. Damn. Yeah, man. Like, Rich was telling me, like, you know, it's best to get another, like, a new quarter panel and new rocker and all this shit. So I'm just like, man, damn, new quarter panel from the dealer is $2,000 to $5,000. Like, I just thought that was just too much. But according to, you know, what we see, you know, it's not. This is a clean one here. I don't like the wheels on it, but it is a very clean S-Class, and it's the S63, so you gotta put some respect on it. You see the interior already starting to like, I don't like that. That's why I don't like this color. I can't stand that color right there. You can see it too, it's dirty. Man. But it only got 78,000 miles on it, and it is the AMG, baby. Y'all see that motor right there. Let's go. You feel me? This was a clean title too. Who sold this shit? It said the seller is unknown. They keep trying to sell it too. Keep trying to sell it. Y'all want to look at one more? We're gonna look at one more. That's the fast one. I don't even want to look at this one. This is a flood, and it didn't run and drive, and it sold for $22,000. Come on, bro. Let's look at one more good one. That one on brick. That one ain't even got no rims on it, and it sold for $23,000. It was a theft. Oh, they stole it. It's the fast one too. Oh shoot. These nasty, man. I think we all can agree that these are disgusting. Oil pressure. They must have had some flywheels on this motherfucker. Oh, see, this one the old key, so it's confusing. Like, that's the old key right there. $64,000 miles though. This one did in fact sell for $23,000. What's that? $24,000, man. Come on. But so we will be on the lookout for one of these, Hustle Nation. This is what I'm looking out for, man. That's what I'm looking out for. I'm trying to look for me one of these. We will eventually find us one, and we will be riding. Look at this, 38,700. And come on, why is that? Was that this high? It's got to be AMG, right? I don't like those wheels on here. They tried to make it look like a race car or something. Yeah, it's the fast one though for sure. But what y'all think though? Let me know in the comments below. Appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking with me, man. Just wanted to make this quick video to show y'all what these going for and what we will be looking for and what's to come next to the channel. All right. Appreciate y'all. It's your boy Ray Big Play. Peace. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.